Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in italki, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin investing in italki, visit the italki website at www.italki.com. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required details, including your email address and password. Verify your email to activate your account. Once logged in, explore the platform to understand how it functions. Navigate to the Teachers section to find language teachers. Use filters to narrow down your search by language, country, and availability. Select a teacher whose profile and teaching style resonate with you. Check their ratings and reviews to gauge their effectiveness. If you have found a suitable teacher, click on their profile for more details. You'll see their availability calendar, so select a convenient time for your lesson. Decide whether you want a full lesson or a trial lesson. Once you've made your choice, click on Book a Lesson. You will then be prompted to confirm the booking details. Proceed to make the payment using your preferred method. After the payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation email. Prepare for your lesson by reviewing any necessary materials. Join the lesson on the scheduled date through the platform. Engage with your teacher and make the most of your learning experience. After the lesson, consider leaving feedback to help others in their decision-making. Repeat this process as needed to further your language skills and education. Explore additional resources available on the italki platform to enhance your learning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.